it's Aaron, and today we'll be going through the solution for Slideways Cube. This puzzle is a level 6 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. So this is a dexterity puzzle. We'll be taking apart, putting them back together. This has 3 pieces. So to start with, we will grab onto the white. I just like to kind of pinch these little grooves here. And you could either one, red or black, and we'll just pull it apart. And we can kind of see that neat movement. It might be a little sticky for your first go, just how 3D printing is, but as you play with it, it will loosen up and become smoother, as you can see. Disassembled. So we have 3 pieces, they're identical. The black disappears on camera, I guess, but they're the same. So we will grab our first piece. I'll grab the red because it's more visible. And we would just want to set it up so that these 2 corners go together like that. So we will back it off so it looks like that. And then our third corner is going to sit like this. So we want to pretty much hold these so that this inside corner here is all touching at the same place. It's a little finicky. So we'll get the white so it's just about into the red, and the black so it's just about into the white. And you can feel it once it kind of starts, it will just slide together. Now you could use the table as support as well to kind of help out with the process. So like you have it disassembled and maybe use the table to help out a little. Just kind of hold those corners while you manipulate and but yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.